This video will show you the easy way to deodorize any room and leave it smelling fresh and clean using baking soda. We'll show you how to banish these odors using this home remedy. Watch this video now and learn how baking soda will make all the difference. 1. Clean the carpets. Cleaning dirty carpets can be a challenging and time-consuming task. Fortunately, baking soda is an effective home remedy to remove stains and bad odors from your carpets without having to spend hours scrubbing them clean. Baking soda can absorb the source of odors, leaving your carpets smelling fresh and looking new. Here are some tips on eliminating bad odors using baking soda. To start, vacuum the carpet thoroughly, removing all dirt particles. This process will also help loosen any trapped odors in the carpet fibers that may result from spills or pet accidents. After vacuuming, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the entire surface of the carpet and let it sit for several hours before vacuuming again. The baking soda will absorb any remaining odor while leaving behind a pleasant scent that lingers long after you finish cleaning your carpets. 2. Treat and clean surfaces. For many people, unpleasant odors emanating from toilets and other surfaces can be a source of stress. Fortunately, there are simple yet effective ways to deal with this issue. Baking soda is one of the most convenient and inexpensive household items that can banish foul odor from toilet walls and floors. This natural deodorizer neutralizes offensive smells without leaving any residue or harsh chemicals. All you need to do is sprinkle some baking soda on the affected surface and leave it for at least 1 hour before wiping it with a damp cloth or sponge. You may mix baking soda with vinegar or hydrogen peroxide for a more powerful cleaning solution. This solution will remove bad odors and keep your toilet clean and hygienic. 3. Sanitize fridge and freezers. Maintaining a clean and odor-free fridge and freezer is critical for keeping food fresh and eliminating foul odors. Baking soda is a natural and effective way to get rid of smells that might be lingering in these appliances. Here's an easy guide to sanitizing your fridge and freezer with baking soda. First, remove all items from the refrigerator and freezer. Then take out the drawers, shelves, door bins, and other removable parts. Clean them with soapy water or a mild detergent solution. Once they are clean, rinse off any soap residue before returning them to their original position. Next, sprinkle baking soda inside the refrigerator and the freezer compartments. Let it sit overnight to absorb any unpleasant odors in these areas. Afterwards, you can wipe the baking soda with a damp cloth or sponge. Your fridge or freezer will be sparkling clean again. 4. Removing urine smells from the mattress. Eliminating the pee smell from a mattress can be extremely frustrating. If you've ever had the unfortunate experience of dealing with a soiled mattress, you know it can be unpleasant. It's one of those smells that can linger for weeks, if not months. Fortunately, there is a simple and inexpensive solution: baking soda. Baking soda has natural odor-absorbing properties that can quickly and easily remove urine smells from mattresses. It is safe on any mattress material, including memory foam and latex. Besides, it's an effective natural deodorizer and can help remove the pee smell from your mattress in no time. To get started, sprinkle some baking soda over the affected area and let it sit for at least 5 hours. Applying more baking soda to areas with more moisture will hasten the process. This act will help absorb moisture and odors from the mattress material. Afterwards, vacuum the baking soda before moving on to the next step: washing the mattress cover with lukewarm water and detergent. So, if you want to remove the pee smell in your mattress without spending a fortune on expensive cleaning products or services, baking soda may be your best bet. 5. Clean vacuum bags. One of the most crucial maintenance for vacuum cleaners is changing and cleaning the vacuum bags. It can be difficult and often leads to bad odors in your home. Fortunately, there are simple steps you can take to eliminate those odors quickly and easily using baking soda. First and foremost, remove the vacuum bag from the cleaner and sprinkle some baking soda in it. Next, sprinkle some baking soda on a clean cloth or paper towel and wipe the inside of the vacuum bag compartment. It will help absorb any lingering smells from inside the machine itself. Finally, return the empty bag to the cleaner and pre-treat it with baking soda for extra odor control protection. With these easy steps, you can keep your home smelling fresh and free of unpleasant odors caused by your vacuum cleaner. 6. Deodorize smelly shoes. The odor emanating from your shoes can be embarrassing and cause discomfort for everyone around you. This smell can come from sneakers, boots, or dress shoes and can be tricky to remove. Fortunately, Baking soda is a simple and effective way to deodorize smelly shoes quickly. Baking soda has natural absorbent properties that eliminate odors and work as a mild cleanser on leather and canvas fabric materials. To use baking soda to deodorize smelly shoes, sprinkle the powder liberally inside each shoe or boot and allow it to sit overnight before removing any excess powder with a soft brush or cloth. The longer you let the baking soda sit in the shoe, say up to 24 hours, the more effective it will be at eliminating odors. 7. Make a dog deodorizer. Nothing is worse than walking into a home and being overwhelmed with the smell of an unpleasant odor. Dog owners know this feeling all too well, as their furry friends can leave behind a lasting scent that lingers in the air. But don't worry, there is hope with an easy-to-make homemade dog deodorizer. All you need is the baking soda to make your space smell clean and fresh again. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that neutralizes unpleasant smells instead of masking them with perfumes or scented sprays. This home remedy kills bacteria and germs that may cause pungent odors and neutralizes the smell of sweat and other unpleasant aromas. First, start by mixing 1/4 cup of baking soda with 1 to 2 teaspoons of mild detergent and a bowl of warm water until they are thoroughly combined. This mixture will help absorb any excess oil or moisture on your pup's fur, which could lead to odor-causing bacteria growth. Once the solution is ready, work the mixture into your dog's fur and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, wash it off with warm water and dry up your furry friend. 8. Clean containers and thermoses. Many of us have experienced the disappointment of opening a water bottle or thermos to reveal an unpleasant odor, whether it's been weeks or months. There is a way to combat this problem with baking soda. Baking soda can help clean and refresh your containers and thermoses, eliminating foul odors quickly and easily. The process for cleaning these items is simple and quick. To start, pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the container or thermos you want to clean. Fill the container with hot water to its maximum capacity, then leave it for a few hours. Afterwards, shake it vigorously for 2 minutes, allowing the baking soda solution to get into all corners of the item you are cleaning. Finally, empty the contents and rinse your container thoroughly with hot soapy water before rinsing with water and drying with a paper towel. As you can see, no one wants to deal with foul odors, but the good news is that baking soda can help. It's a natural and effective solution for eliminating these odors. With its ability to absorb moisture, baking soda neutralizes and absorbs odors without harsh chemicals. Not only is it affordable, but it's also environmentally friendly. So the next time you have a smell that won't quit, don't waste your money on expensive sprays. Grab some baking soda and deodorize with confidence. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to clean a smelly washing machine naturally. Thanks for watching and bye for now.